are watching Islamabad Today news channel. On the 14th of August 2025, Pakistan marked 78 years of independence in an atmosphere of pride, unity, and renewed confidence after a year of historic military and diplomatic developments. The day began in Islamabad with the grand flag-hoisting ceremony, attended by Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, President Asif Ali Zardari, Field Marshal Asim Munir, and other high-ranking officials. The national anthem echoed through the capital as leaders paid tribute to the martyrs and founders of the nation. In his address, the Prime Minister hailed the recent Marka-e-Haq victory as a defining moment that had deepened the meaning of freedom. He urged all political parties and national institutions to unite under the Charter for Stability of Pakistan to secure a prosperous and strong future. President Zardari lauded the armed forces' role in safeguarding the country and reaffirmed Pakistan's unshakable support for the people of Kashmir. This Independence Day came only months after Pakistan's decisive response to recent Indian aggression. On the night of the 7th of May 2025, India launched missile, drone, and airstrikes across Pakistani territory in a move condemned nationwide. Pakistan's leadership authorized a swift and calculated retaliation Operation Bunyan and Marsoos where the Pakistan Army, Navy, and Air Force acted in perfect coordination. Precision-guided missiles, loitering munitions, and strategic strikes dismantled key Indian military installations, radar systems, ammunition depots, and command centers. The Pakistan Air Force downed multiple Indian fighter jets, including Rafales and Sukhoi, while advanced air defense systems intercepted incoming threats with remarkable accuracy. The operation was hailed domestically as a textbook example of modern warfare, and a testament to the bravery of the armed forces. The victory ignited a wave of national pride, leading to the declaration of Umeda Day of gratitude where citizens from Karachi to Gilgit celebrated the armed forces as national heroes. Streets were filled with green and white flags, patriotic songs, and displays of solidarity. Field Marshal Asim Munir praised the nation for its unity during the crisis, crediting the resilience of both the military and the people. In a major strategic development, the Prime Minister announced the creation of the Army Rocket Force, tasked with overseeing Pakistan's missile program and enhancing its defensive capabilities for the future. Global leaders sent warm congratulations on Independence Day. The United States praised Pakistan's role in counter-terrorism and expressed interest in expanding economic ties, especially in critical minerals and energy. China reaffirmed its ironclad friendship, while Russia, Turkey, Germany, France, and other nations conveyed messages of solidarity and respect for Pakistan's sovereignty. These statements reflected a growing acknowledgement of Pakistan's strategic importance on the global stage. Amid the celebrations, there was a tragic reminder of the need for responsible joy. In Karachi, aerial firing during festivities claimed the lives of 3 people, including a young child, and left more than 60 injured. Authorities renewed calls for safe celebrations in the future. Elsewhere, security forces remained vigilant, conducting successful operations against militants near the Afghan border, ensuring that the nation's enemies could not overshadow the day's significance. As night fell, fireworks lit up the skies over cities and towns, symbolizing both remembrance and resolve. The events of recent months had reinforced the belief that Pakistan's freedom was not merely a historical gift, but an ongoing achievement, defended daily by the courage of its people and the strength of its armed forces. This Independence Day was not just a celebration of the past, it was a declaration to the world that Pakistan remains strong, united, and ready for the challenges ahead. Pakistan Zindabad. Stay with us for more updates. Thank you.